In this video, let's create a book app by using NucleApp. Let's start. Choose your book name. Select color and logo. Create your onboard screen by adding images, button, and text. Select image for a background. Then, select the button to navigate. And add a title. Let's create your chapter page by creating a list screen. Create a list screen to add chapters. Edit and add chapters on the list screen. Now, we can create our first page by adding a menu and text on the custom screen. Add a menu to navigate from the page. Then, add a title to the page. A text for the paragraph. Add on tap for menu to navigate. Set names for the screens to identify. Edit screen names to connect screens easily. Create other chapters by duplicating screens. Enable the scroll option for the text. It's time to connect all screens using On Tap. Let's add On Tap to the screens. Connect all screens using On Tap. Now test your app by Run option. Let's run the app. Verify all screens. Now, publish your app. Share your app to the world in a single link. We can view the book app on Android, iOS, and web platforms. Thank you.